Do a quick video on the trade that I'm about to get into. So this is for Sandbox. This is a short position. So Sandbox, let's zoom out to the 1 hour chart real quick. My order just got filled there. So Sandbox was in this falling wedge. We had bullish divergence on the RSI and on the histogram of the MACD. So I was expecting some sort of reversal to come once we get a break of this upper trend line. So yesterday we had a breakout on a bunch of altcoins that I talked about. I had a bounce. I missed the move. I was out in public and just kind of cruising. So I was waiting for this measured move to get hit. So how I figured that measured move, we pull the very top to bottom of this falling wedge at the open end here. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to move it to where the breakout took place at. You take that line, you move it. This is our measured move. Once that measured move gets hit, usually we're going to expect, based off of technical analysis, some sort of rejection. And what do we have here? We have target measured move hit perfectly. Let's zoom into the 5-minute chart. So what we want to see here is either a liquidity sweep where we come up, we wick up above the targeted measure move and a swift drop down, or we just want to see a second rejection here that would confirm a double top showing that price action cannot break above this level just yet, at least. And this would give us great entry into this short position, which you see below here. So now that we're looking at the sand short chart, this is sand3s on Kucoin. We drew a trend line here on the 15-minute chart just to get a really detailed entry. So we had the support level that's been respected for about 4 different bounces here. We had a drop down to this level, wick below, and then we had a bounce. So let's see if we can get a confirmed rejection on the regular sand chart. We want to zoom in so we can make sure we can see this potential double top forming. So I'll draw it out for you guys real quick. So that's one top, and we want to see whether there's a liquidity sweep that puts in a higher high here and wicks down. A long wick would be a good sign that there's going to be a big rejection, which will send price in the opposite direction. So either you want to set your buy orders for sand3 short. I would say, I'll just give you guys a general idea, because this is just a general entry. This is not something you have to be paying a ton of attention to, but you'd want to put your entry position anywhere between 0.01496 even down to 0.0146, I would say, anywhere in this range right here. So open short positions on sand3s on Kucoin in this area, and we want to take profit around 0.0168. So this is our take profit zone here. Let me just draw this out for you guys so you can see. I'll post the actual targets and entry positions separately from this video, but I would take profits anywhere between 0.0165, 26, and then maximum 0.01684. Another thing you can do too, just like we learned about the measured move, this is the start of that potential falling wedge, because the short chart is just the exact opposite of the long chart. So it's really easy to read if you know how to read basic TA. But yeah, if we get a breakout, I'm guessing somewhere around here, you should be seeing a measured move right here to this high volume node into this area. We still need more price to confirm that, but I'd say this is the safest entry to get into a short, and you can take profits at this upper trend line if you want to just jump in and out. Me personally, I'm going to see if we can break through this, and I'll take profits here.